Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to earn money online without investment. You can earn a lot of handsome amount from sitting home, and it's very easy job. I'm going to tell you each and everything, and I'll show you practically how you can earn money online from your home. If you are a student, then it will be awesome, and if you are a jobless, then it's great. You can earn money from home, and you just need 10 to 15 minutes for this, and after investing 10 to 15 minutes you can earn a handsome amount from sitting home, and you can take it as a career. So if you are interested, then stay with me and watch till end. I'll show you practically each and everything. I'll show you each and every step and how it works, how you can withdraw, how you can create an account. I'm sharing you a website. I'm sharing with you a great website that is new and someone really don't know about this. So take a first mover advantage and earn money online from sitting home. Okay, I'm going to tell you how to create account and how you can earn money from home. So please follow my each and every step. Before starting this video, I am asking you to subscribe my channel and like this video for latest updates, because I am sharing on this channel latest videos about online earning and tips and tricks of computer, mobiles and tech. Okay, let's start. If you don't subscribe my channel. Now we are starting. Okay, open google.com, and after opening google.com, type here, you can type here StarClicks. You can see here StarClicks, and after opening you just need to click on this link. I'm highlighting this link, and you just need to click on first link and opening the website. You just make sure here is the proper website, starclicks.com. Okay, now we need to here only sign up. When we click on sign up, you will see an interface. Here is the sign up button. You can just earn money just after watching ads. You just need to watch ads, and after watching ads you can earn money. I'll show you how you can earn money. Okay, now we can see here two accounts, publisher account and advertiser account. Publisher sign up and advertiser sign up. So if you are going to earn money, then you need to click on publisher sign up, and if you are an advertiser, then you need to click here on advertiser account. Okay, now we are going to earn money, so we click on publisher sign up. We are workers, so I clicked here. When I clicked here, you can see here a performa. So let's fill up. Okay, you just need to click on your first name, enter your first name here, and after adding that you just need to enter your last name here, and your date of birth, and your home address, that on your identity card, your city. You need to provide these information for proper sign up. Okay, after that, where do you live, what is your country, your zip code, your mobile number, then this. Okay, and now we can see here we need to also enter your email address here. What is your email address? After that you just need to confirm your email address, then please choose a password and confirm your password. Please remember, this is a sign up and you need to fill each and every compulsory form. Okay, and after that you just now you just choose a security question for your production, your account production, and after that you can choose the security questions answer, and from where did you find us, and if you are already working, then reference here and etc. You can choose each and everything and click on register. So when you sign up, you can click here and you can choose every question, any question that you want to enter that you can remember. So I already have signed up. Okay, now I just need to click on sign in here. You can see here is the sign in option. I just clicked here on sign in. Okay, now I need to sign in here. I need to enter here my email address, and here is my password. So I am signing in. Till then I am stopping this video. Okay, I'm logging, and this is my account. You can see here, here is my balance, $0.81. Okay, now I'm going to tell you how you can work here and how you need to work here. Okay, just here is a dashboard. You can see here is different options, but now firstly I'm showing you how you can work here. So first we need to click on PPC ads. Simply I'm clicking here. So here you can see all ads. These are ads. Okay, you just need to, I'm showing you the simple work. You just need to click on any ad. I clicked. The ad is loaded. After loading the ad, we just need to close this. Okay, and the balance is added in my account. You can see here, first was 0.81 but now 0.82. I am opening another ad. You can see ad is loaded, and I just close this, and you can see here again my balance is 0.83. now I'm quickly opening the all ads, and after that I'll show my balance. Here is another ad, it's loaded. Another ad. I'm completing my daily task. Okay, another ad, and I'm showing you the live everything. You can learn and you can see each and everything. It's happening live. So after some time I'll show you. Just a minute, stay with me. I'll show you complete results, how it works. Okay, now it's the last ad. It take hardly 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, now you can see my previous balance was 0.81, but now my balance is, I'm highlighting, 0.93. You can also see your balance here on home, account overview. I'm clicking on account overview, and you can see here my balance, and you can see also 2 days work. I have done $0.11 2 days work, and it take hardly almost 1 to 2 minutes. So if you want to earn more, this account has packages, different types of packages. Just click on upgrade, and you want to sport, then here is sport. If you want to withdraw, here is the payout option, bonuses, and if you want to change anything, here is the setting, and here is the inbox. If this website sent you some messages. Okay, here is some top members. I'm showing you the top members that earning an handsome amount. I clicked here. You can see here he's saying here is Kiran, and he take withdrawal almost $260, and here is Duljanjala, and he takes cash out $150. Samira, and he takes $85. Daisy $70, and it's Roya, he takes $55. Sunil Babu from India, he takes $50. You can see here is lot of people who was earning handsome amount, and he is taking payout. Okay, if we want to upgrade this our package, you can see here is our package. Our package is silver member, and it's totally free of cost. And if we want to upgrade this on gold or diamond, then we need to pay, but we don't need to pay. We need to work on simple package and free package, so we can earn money. If you like this video, then please inform me. And if you want to know how we can upgrade money and how we can earn money by watching ads and also other ways, please remember this website have also some other ways of making money, completing tasks and etc., inviting peoples, a lot of things. If you want to learn these all things, then please like this video, subscribe my channel, and also comment this. If you have any question, ask me in comments. I'll provide you complete training of this website. When you take complete training of this website, then you are able to earn an handsome amount in one day, and you can also withdraw. And all, if you are interested, then please comment and I'll show you how to withdraw this payment, earn payment from your account, and what's the procedure, what's the requirement. I'll show you each and everything. You can see here, here's my balance, and it's almost my new account, and you can see here a lot of options here, and you can see here a lot of options. I'll tell you about each and everything because now video is becoming long and long, so I'll show you in next video. If you like this video, so we are targeting 200 likes for this video. If this video got 200 likes, then I'll create another video on this website. And if you are really interested in online earning and tips and tricks, then don't worry about that. I'll create new videos for this, but for this you need to subscribe my channel. Okay, like this video, share this video, and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, take care.